Oppo is expected to announce the Reno 15 series in November. The Reno 15 family will again be split into three models: standard Reno 15, a Reno 15 Pro, and a new top-end Reno 15 Pro Plus. The Pro Plus would be the first of its kind in the Reno lineup. The Reno 15 Pro and Pro Plus are packed a massive 200-megapixel main sensor, likely using the Samsung HP5 sensor. It will be joined by an ultra-wide lens and a 50-megapixel periscope telephoto lens. Reno 15 Pro equipped with a new Dimensity 8500 SoC, run on ColorOS 16-based Android 16. The regular Reno 15 reportedly features a 6.59-inch LTPS panel, while the Pro drops down to 6.31 inches with the same LTPS technology, and the Pro Plus stretches out to 6.78 inches, utilizing LTPO for smoother refresh rates and improved power efficiency. Moving on to the design of the Reno 15 series, the tipster mentioned that it will inherit Reno 14's one-piece cold-carved glass design. While there is no clarity on whether it will have the same camera island design as the Reno 14 lineup. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.